What do Italian retirees own that international hedge funds want but just can't have? The answer are their shares in one of the more obscure European value investments right now, buying into a group of close-ended Italian real estate funds. These were sold to bank retail savers and retirees before the financial crisis, and shares in these listed funds have for many years sat unloved and obscure in the recesses of the Italian stock market. Due to poor liquidity, a lack of English language financial statements, and near non-existent analyst coverage, many of the 20 or so of these funds are trading at very large discounts to their current net asset value. Recently, some private equity and hedge fund managers have launched tender offers to buy out the Italian savers, reasoning that the discount to NAV means that the funds trade significantly below the value of their underlying assets. The problem the hedgies face is a reluctance from these savers to sell out at a large loss. Their reluctance, however, is understandable. Some of these small real estate funds can still be bought at large discounts while having no debt, generating positive cash flows, and with some owning property outside of Italy in less troubled markets. More importantly, many of the funds are in the process of liquidating, and that means that there is a hard catalyst for closing the yawning gap between their net asset values and share prices through cash distributions. With Italian non-performing loans hitting a record high this year, investors, however, must judge whether the discounts on offer provide a decent enough margin of safety in case the Italian economy gets worse. One fund, Unicredito Immobiliare Uno, currently trades at more than a 30% discount to its 284 million appraised value of its assets, and earlier this year sold one of its most valuable properties at only a slight discount to book valuation. Another fund, Amundi Europa, trades at more than a 50% discount to net asset value and holds commercial real estate in Paris, Berlin, and London. So anyone who can convince an Italian saver to sell them their shares at current prices will most likely be getting a bargain.